Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I have in front of me a Phthalo Blue that I added Anita's white to, and now have added a little bit of the 24 karat gold DecoArt Extreme Sheen. This is Anita's silver with just Floetrol. These are all mixed with Floetrol. 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. This is my magenta that I get from Louisiana, so is this Phthalo Blue. It has had white Anita's metallic added to it and some 24 karat gold. This is the gold that I made using my Raw Sienna that I get from Louisiana and putting Anita's white in it, and now I've added a little bit of the 24 karat to this cup. And these are a little thick, so I'm thinking I might flick some silicone on them and see what happens. So what I really need is sort of a dirty cup, and I'm trying to decide how I want to do that. Wonder if I could just like pour some in and across from that pour another color and then go back and forth with it like that and see if that would work. We'll see. I'm always up for experimenting. Sometimes you come up with some really cool stuff doing that. So these are a little thicker, which is the way I like them, you know, if I'm gonna do the, oops, that went to that bottom, didn't it? Flicking the silicone thing, because that keeps the cells from getting too big. Oops, I dribbled that all over the place. So if you're gonna flick the silicone on with your hand, make your paints a little thicker. Keeps the cells from getting gigantic and all wonky shaped. And I'm probably gonna turn this over as a flip cup. Hope these colors look okay together. Looks pretty in the cup, even though I'm not wild about pink. Lolly, lolly, law. See if we can make a big mess here. The silver looks almost white. Ooh, that looks pretty. I think I see a lump. Yes, big gigantic stringy thing. Okay, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. Be patient with me. I have to look at it, see what it's doing. Oh, I think this looks galaxy. Sure is moving slow, isn't it? Alrighty. Oh, I like this a lot. Woohoo. I think we might have enough overlap of colors here that when I flick the silicone, it will really pop up some colors. Maybe there'll be the little cells that are cell inside a cell inside a cell and color inside a color. But I'm not gonna go crazy with it. I just want a little bit of it. So, oops, that glove just ripped all to pieces. That's what I get for using the same one 5 times. But it saves. This is the Lifespan Treadmill silicone that I got at Dick's Sporting Goods. And believe it or not, it will dry and you won't even see that silicone laying on top of that canvas. When that paint's dry, you cannot tell that there's been any silicone used. Okay, let's see if anything's popping up here. I saw a little bit flick off right in that area right there. Too much, actually. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm doing. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be pretty. That one's just gonna be solid gold, but no, it's got a little bit of pink inside of it. Oh, I love it. I'm not gonna hit it with the torch now because I don't want them to grow. So I will take the camera down, give you a close-up, wait a few minutes, and then give you another close-up like in 20 or 30 minutes and let you see what size I got. I hope they don't get much bigger. I don't want them much bigger than what they are right now. So hang on a minute. These are looking so cool. Look at those color inside of color ones. All up through there. I still got more on them than I actually wanted. And then there's some of those little goldy ones. So most of them do have a color inside of them. Oh, that one looks cool with the gold, with the dark color inside of it, that dark blue. So this is how I like to do cells if I'm gonna do cells. Oh my goodness, I really like this. I think this is pretty. So I will time like 20 minutes from now or 30 minutes from now and do another close-up. Thanks for watching. It's been 30 minutes. So some of them got bigger than I wanted them to go, but I'm still not unhappy. I love this. I think this is cool. I just hope that dark blue doesn't dry too dark. I think the rest of it looks awesome. Love it. Love it. So you all should try this. Make your paint a little thicker. Give it a flick. Buy that Lifespan Treadmill silicone. It's expensive, but it lasts forever. And I'm telling you, there is none of it sitting on top of the canvas whenever it dries. And I have a groundhog in my backyard. I don't know if you can see him. See him? There he is. Last year I had one, I called him Chuck, because they're woodchucks. So funny. All right, thanks for watching.